No one is going to pay you more than you pay yourself. I remember reading this quote back as a sophomore in college and how it resonated with me. From that day forward, I knew I was meant to become an entrepreneur. Now, while I learned this while in college, I did not read this in a college textbook, nor did I learn it in a college classroom. I was actually reading a fitness magazine when I saw this life-changing quote. The point that I'm trying to make is that you don't have to get a college degree in entrepreneurship to become your own boss. You're not trying to become a doctor or anything that requires a high level degree. And that's the beautiful thing about this. Do you know that what many super wealthy entrepreneurs such as Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Jay-Z have in common? They don't have a college degree. They either didn't attend college or dropped out of college. Meanwhile, plenty of college graduates with glorious jobs are living paycheck to paycheck, just like the average Joe and Jane with no college education. This is one of the main reasons that I created this course, and that is to give college educated folks such as myself a dose of reality. And what I'm prescribing is to get yourself, not someone else, wealthy medication. There's no salary in the world that someone else will pay you to work a job you hate. You will never get personal fulfillment from working from that type of job at all. Yet you're working at this job because of what? Because your college degree told you to? Come on now. To be a successful entrepreneur, your mindset will have to cut the lights off that employee mindset and never pay that utility bill again. I got a master's degree from a great school, yet I'm here lecturing you on how schooling doesn't matter in this entrepreneurial universe. I haven't worked for someone since December 2009 and will never work for anyone else again. My goal is to help you harness the skills within you to become your own boss. But you will learn more about how to do that later. For now, let's move on to the next lecture in the mentality series.